Hi beauties, in my last video, I told you I tried something new. Well today, I want to give you my thoughts after wearing the nails for a few weeks. So let's get into the good, the bad, and the ugly. We're going to start off with the bad. Now, this Modelones Polygel kit came with a set of dual nail forms. No good. I didn't like them. They were bad. But it also included a little brush, the top coat, base coat, slip solution, two different types of actual polygel. There was a clear coat, or I should say there's a clear type color, and then also a nice little pinkish color. I decided for this to use a pinkish color, but those nail forms, I couldn't do them. They were the bad of my video. Now let's talk about the good. This polygel kit actually came with almost everything that you would need to do your polygel set. Although I didn't like the nail forms, I did overall like the product. I think these came out super cute. I initially cut down my natural nails really short just so I could see how this product would work on my nails. So everything that you see here is strictly just the polygel. It is not my nails, which if you've watched my videos before, you know my nails can grow pretty long. Now, the bad, and it's not really a bad on the product, it's a bad on me. It lifted. My thumb that I showed you lifted. The ugly is my pinky completely popped off. But again, that's on me because for my thumb and my pinky, I was rushing and forgot to apply the base coat. Base coat is needed. You don't actually need a primer because all the rest of my nails where I did apply base coat, they lasted. And they lasted a full 3 weeks before I decided to take them off. What I'm showing you now is my nails 3 weeks later. So again, the bad, didn't like the nail forms. The ugly is the nail that lifted as well as the nail that popped off. This pinky once again, but it's all on me. It's not on the product. I was rushing and forgot to apply the base coat here. Everything where I did apply the base coat, once again, it lasted a full 3 weeks. So I think that's good. Plus, I was able to do this entire set with just hand file. You know I love to use a good hand file. So I cut them down with nail clippers, which are made for acrylic nails, not your standard nail clippers. But I cut them down with nail clippers to my liking, and then I filed with just a regular hand file like I showed you in my other videos, the 100 to 180 grit, and got them to the shape that I wanted. I wanted to try a few different shapes just to see how they would look, but overall, I am pleased with this product. I might give the dual forms another try since I let my nails grow out a little longer. They weren't nubs this time. So I might give them another try and to see. Another thing I would do also is go a little thicker in the cuticle area. I kind of made those thin in that area just to see how long they would last. But once again, I have no complaints. It worked out well. I'll even try the product again. So as always, I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.